which
Continue.
renewable sources of energy like solar energy, wind energy, hydro energy, geothermal energy, etc. These sources of energy is also known as non-conventional sources of energy. Conventional sources of energy, those sources of energy which accumulated in nature over a very long period of time and quickly replaced is called the renewable sources of energy. These sources of energy is also known as non-conventional sources of energy. Non-renewable sources of energy, those sources of energy which have been, those sources of energy which accumulated in nature and are inexhaustible are called non-renewable sources of energy. These sources of energy is also known as conventional sources of energy, like biogas are being developed to harness them. For the example of non-conventional sources of energy are coal is a primary source of energy. India is the largest producer. Uh, India is the largest producer of coal in the world and has some largest reserves of coal in India. The worst environmental problem is associated with coal. The air pollution generated when it is burned. Coal produces twice as much as the CO2, carbon dioxide, the main greenhouse gas which leads to global warming. Coal is mined in two ways: underground mining and open cast mining. Both have their specific, almost complete recovery of coal takes place, thus they are more efficient. Biogas, it is an example of non-conventional sources of energy. Biogas is an important solution for an energy crisis, especially in rural areas. This is an environmentally clean technology. It is a mixture of such gases like methane, hydrogen sulfide, etc. It is made by the decomposition of plants and animals, for example, animal dung, etc., with the help of microorganisms and in the presence of water. There are commonly two designs of biogas plants: fixed dome type and floating gas holder type. Changing global pattern of consumption in India. Human beings have not harvested so much